Hi there, my name is Karina, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download the software ActivInspire by Promethean, which will enable you to create more interactive lessons and also enhance your students' engagement in the lessons. It is widely used worldwide, especially in e-boards, but you can download it for free in your computer. So let's go. First, you're gonna Google download ActivInspire, or if you want, you can click in the link below this video. Once you click in the link, you're gonna be directed to this page in which you're gonna select the language. Also, next page, you're gonna fill out with the information about your computer and also personal information. You're also gonna click accept the terms, or if you want to receive extra information about the program, and they're gonna send you a link to your email. So you're gonna have to access your email and click in the link they're gonna send to you there. Once you click in that link, they're gonna ask you to select the folder in which you want the program to be saved in. Then you click save, and the download will just start at the left bottom of your page. Once it is downloaded, you're gonna execute the program. You're gonna open it, and they're gonna ask you if you allow that the program is downloaded in your computer, and you just click yes. Soon the download will begin, and you're gonna have to click in the next windows that will appear. You just click advance in all the screens. It's just some basic information about where you want the program to be saved, and if you accept the terms again, and you just click advance. After you finish this step, the download will just continue, and it's gonna take a few minutes. So after it is downloaded, the icon will be on your desktop. You're gonna click on it, double click, and they're gonna ask you to wait a little bit. So after this last part is finalized, you're gonna see that the icon from ActivInspire will just pop up with some flames indicating that the software is about to open. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you very soon with another brand new video. Bye bye.